Come test drive the 2017 CT200H. The Lexus CT200 Hybrid pairs exceptional fuel efficiency and superior handling ability with aggressive styling to create a luxury hybrid vehicle that looks great and handles even better. Going green never felt and looked so good and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.